bored? Don't worry, Fair Maiden!
I liked where the prince and the princess danced. My favourite part was when the ghost came.
You just need to use your creative powers.
Ah, yes! You have thousands of cells. Brave forces in action.
Are you willing to help out our men?
I liked the part when the ghost was taken off.
It was one of the best theatre companies I've ever seen. It was great.